Welcome back, everyone. We're glad to have you along once again. This is not the video that we had planned for you, and that's okay. But we wanted to take a minute to tell you a little bit about why and tell you about some upcoming plans and things that we've got for you guys and the channel in general. And so we'll just dive right in. So first of all, let me tell you a little bit about the video that we had planned for today. That will be coming out in about 2 weeks, and once we get that all ironed out, you'll be able to see it along with us, and we look forward to sharing that with you. So don't get panicked by it. It will be coming. It's an exciting topic that several of you have asked about, so we're really excited and really looking forward to sharing it with you. But like I said, we hit a couple of issues with some permissions. Next, we want to talk a little bit about the fact that that video is kind of the end of season 1. So we're going to kind of break the channel down into seasons of production. And so that will signify the end of season 1. And so everything that we've done up until that will all be in that category. And then over the summer, we hope to produce a couple of videos, maybe once a month or so, kind of slow down our production rate a little bit. We're going to be traveling a little bit. You guys are going to be traveling some, and we know everybody's just going to be busy enjoying the beautiful weather that we already have just a small taste of. And so we're looking forward to enjoying that, but that means that we're going to have some changes over the summer here. The other big thing that we're going to be doing over the summer is planning and brainstorming through what we want to cover next. And so we really want to hear from you. Send us your questions, send us questions, topic ideas, any of those things that you've got that maybe we've raised a question in your mind or raised a concern even in your mind and haven't come back around to deal with yet. Send that in and let us know that. We'd love to care for that, and we'd love to help answer those things in upcoming videos. And the best way to do that is to get that in the segments of planning that we're going through right now. Be watching for our next video coming in about 2 weeks. Send us your questions and topic ideas. And then third, I'd say go ahead and like this video, and if you would be so kind, we'd love to have you share it. That helps get this out to other people and make sure that they know that we're here and trying to help serve our community by answering questions about maintaining and caring for your home as well. And until next time, we'll see you soon.